Here I've got Nokia 7 Plus, and let me show you all the ringtones available on your device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and pick the settings. Here you should go to the sound, and now scroll down a bit and pick phone ringtone. It can be for SIM 1. And now, as you can see, you've got obviously the NOKIA Tune, standard one, NOKIA Arrival, NOKIA Barbell, NOKIA Bird, NOKIA Bounce, NOKIA Cadenza, Chirp, NOKIA Distance, and all the others default Nokia sounds, for example also spirals, or my favorite one, Karimba. Then you can also pick some others, so it's Atria, Callisto, Dion, Luna, Oberon, Phobos, Triton, Titana, or Umbriel. And if you would like to set some of them as your phone ringtone, simply click on OK. And you can also add some others by tapping on plus. So if you will have any song on your device, then you can also add it as a ringtone here. Simply select it if you will have it here, and then add it on plus icon. And that will be also. Let me pick, for example, NOKIA Bounce and click on OK. So as you can see here, now our ringtone is NOKIA Bounce. So that is all. You've got so plenty ringtones on your Nokia 7 Plus, so change them as often as you want to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.